Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Vega 9-in-1 trimmer easily. First, make sure your trimmer is fully charged. A full charge typically provides up to 120 minutes of cordless use. Next, always clean the trimmer head and any attachments before and after each use to maintain hygiene. Finally, take a moment to identify the 9 different grooming attachments included with your kit. Now, let's select the right attachment. Your Vega trimmer comes with various comb guides, ranging from 1 mm to 16 mm for different hair lengths. Securely attach your chosen comb to the trimmer head until it clicks into place. Begin trimming by moving the device against the direction of your hair growth, using light, even pressure for a smooth and consistent result. Beyond basic trimming, your Vega 9-in-1 offers specialized functions. For crisp edges and intricate designs, switch to the precision trimmer. To safely remove unwanted nose and ear hair, simply attach the dedicated nose and ear trimmer. For body grooming, use the specialized body groomer attachment, designed for comfort and efficiency across different body areas. To ensure your Vega trimmer lasts for years, proper maintenance is key. After every use, detach the head and clean all hair clippings with the included cleaning brush. Periodically, apply 1 or 2 drops of lubricating oil to the blades to keep them running smoothly and efficiently. Always store your trimmer and its 9 attachments in a dry, safe place, away from moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.